you so much for your inquiry of the 2016 Hyundai Azera. This is the exact one that you picked out. As you can see, it's a beautiful vehicle. You have that progressive styling, the waterfall grille, wraparound lights, LED lights, alloy wheels, turn indicator, blind spot detection, panoramic sunroof, proximity key so you never have to take the key out of your pocket. Then on the inside, I want to show you really quickly this beautiful interior with this beige leather seating, heated and ventilated seats. You have your steering wheel controls, Bluetooth, voice activation. You have this 8-inch touchscreen that also doubles as a backup camera, has navigation, your Blue Link, think of OnStar on steroids, Home Link. The list goes on and on and on this beautiful vehicle that you selected. Best part about getting a car here with us is America's Best Warranty. We give you 5 years or 60,000 mile new car warranty, 7 years anti-corrosion warranty, 5-year unlimited mile roadside assistance warranty, a 10-year or 100,000 mile powertrain warranty that exclusively here at Tameron, we double that to 20 years or 200,000 miles on that powertrain warranty with no strings attached and no extra fees at all whatsoever, and it's good nationwide. So here's what I need you to do, Connor. Give me a call, 205-380-6250, or you can call me on my personal cell, text me anytime, 256-295-1573. Because Connor here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. Talk to you soon.